Hi guys, I know I haven't been posting for I think about 2 years now, but life has just been really busy. But that's exactly the reason why I'm here today. Because I've got a dish for you guys that only takes 4 ingredients and it is super easy, super quick, and definitely if you had hard days of work, this will take you 7 minutes. And I will prove it. 7 minutes. 25 minutes in the oven, but while it's in the oven you can enjoy yourself with a glass of wine or beer, whatever you're drinking, or cola, you know. Let's get into it. First I'm going to cook some water because we're going to cook gnocchi, pasta. We have feta cheese, we have salmon, and we have cherry tomatoes. 1 large bowl, oven proof obviously. Then my water is already boiling, so we're going to put the pasta in there. And you just got to feel how much you would like to use. I think I might just use it all. We're at 6 people, so cook a lot. What doesn't get eaten today gets eaten tomorrow. Takes forever. Put the timer on. 7 minutes. And now we're gonna do our prep. So we literally take the salmon. Put it in here. Oh, almost forgot one thing. We have to preheat the oven. I generally like to preheat it around 220, 250 degrees. So the salmon is already in there. That's super easy. Now we're gonna take the feta. So I will just cut this into little blocks. This is also going to be your sauce, which you will see later. A healthy sauce, because feta cheese is actually very good for you. It's full of healthy fats. Gives you loads of energy, keeps you full for a very long time. And after a day of work, that's exactly what you need. I've got about 500 grams of cherry tomatoes. I just cut them in half, pop them in there. It's really not that difficult. That looks nice. So I have not added any oil, salt or pepper on my pasta. I'm not a big fan of that. Oil you will also put down the drain when you go over the water. That water will go into your drain and your drain will get blocked because of the fat of the oil. So we don't do that. So we just leave it like this. The next thing we're going to do, because we've got still 2 minutes, we're going to add some salt and pepper to this dish. You can use a lot, you can use a little, it's whatever you prefer. I just use a little bit of salt. That's it. In the meantime, you can also do your dishes. Little dishes, little work, super delicious, super healthy.
A few moments later.
2 more minutes and then it can go into the oven. Pasta is done. Gnocchi. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, look at that. And now we're gonna put this on top of this. And we're gonna put this in the oven. Say 25 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna have a glass of wine. Okay, let's see how it's going. Oh my God. Okay. I effed up, guys. I did a really stupid thing. Who on earth puts pasta on top and not on the bottom? I mean, I've done this dish so many times. I always put my pasta on the bottom so the salmon can cook and the cherry tomatoes can melt and everything is just, oh no.
You suck!
Oh, I need wine. You don't want this after a day's work, obviously, but I do have a solution for this. We're just gonna mix it. And then it will cook. Why? Who puts pasta on top? Who does that?
Me?
Anyways, don't do that. Learn from my mistake. I'll just put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. We'll put some aluminium foil on top. It's done, guys. Ooh, it smells delicious. This is it. Now it's just a matter of serving and eating.